Hello. This isn't exactly a video I wanted to produce, but I feel it's kind of necessary. I am running without a script, so this is just kind of more of a rambling. It is also a remake of a video I made about 10 years ago with similar situations, just not as, I won't say as bad. Most of the reason I'm doing this video is because, well, I'm encountering a lot more people that are really ungrounded in reality. People that can't tell the difference between fantasy and reality, basically. I started this channel more or less as a joke originally, so it's kind of just been what it is. I've tried to expand, which more or less I converted that over to the sister station, Dusktail Plays. But for the most part, I read a lot of the comments, and I also go through the hidden stuff and the really hidden stuff that Google feels that I might be too sensitive to read. And I've noticed kind of a pattern. I get a lot of people threatening. I get a lot of people just making really inappropriate comments regarding the content. And no, you guys are very broken. This channel has started off as a destruction channel. If you're watching it and you don't like the content, really, I'm not changing because of you. Honestly, if you don't like this, hit the back button on the top, or go to your next suggested thing down below. You don't have to like the stuff that I do. I'm not asking you to like the stuff that I do if you genuinely do not like it. But reality is, you're not making a change by saying, "Oh, you need to kill this guy. Oh, you can't do that. You're not making a change. In fact, if it comes up in the normal and is actually accepted by Google, I'm more likely to mock you. So, seriously, this channel is all about destruction. However, I might have the occasional PSA or something like that. Or do something fun that's not destructive, but I think is appropriate for the channel. All in all, let's get down to the meat of it. You know, stuffed animals, inflatables, you know, they're not living objects. I'm sorry. I hate acting like I have to talk to toddlers here, but they are not alive. They are fabric and vinyl sheeting, shaped to look like an animal. It ain't worth threatening somebody over. I will agree, yes, there is an art to it, but at the end of the day, it's nothing more than a pillow with eyes. It's not alive, it's just a pillow with eyes. And same goes with the inflatables. It's just a shower curtain with eyes and shaped like an animal. It's not a living creature. It's nothing worth threatening anybody over. As I said, if you do not like my content, and I've said it repeatedly in many of these PSAs, if you do not like my content, let me be the first to invite you to unsubscribe and go somewhere else. Watch your little Barney and Friends. Go and watch your happy, joyous things. My content is not intended for children. My content is purely for fun. Yes, I do stupid shit. But the thing is, my stuff, I do what I want to do with it. I'm not affecting your stuff in any way, shape, or form. Is it nice? Little hint, a lot of the times the stuff on my channel really isn't. But is it nice? Yeah, sometimes it is. I'll also say that most of the stuff that I've done on this channel has been produced by the millions. So if I destroy one, that's not even 0.1% of all that were ever made. There's always eBay, there's always Mercari, there's Amazon, there's Facebook Marketplace. That's a really good one to find things random in your hometown. Either way, what I'm doing doesn't hurt you in any way, shape, or form. Now stop acting like I'm hurting you. Because you can always hit, again, the back button, the suggested down below, or, search for something a little happier. Because I'm starting to lose words here. I'm just kind of done with the broken people. I'm getting ready to start blocking people so they can't comment. I mean, what can I say? You're not changing anything by making a very hateful comment. And you're only encouraging it because sometimes I take your comments and I say, how can I piss this person off more? So I do what I want to do with my stuff. You do what you want to do with your stuff. And that's the barrier. I'm not gonna touch your stuff. I promise you, I'm not coming to get your stuff. Only stuff I'm gonna ever do is with my stuff. So cute. Thank you for watching.